Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Telegram group. So what you can do is simply open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, just tap on the pencil icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you'll find this first option which is new group. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to select the members that you would like to add in your group. So just select the following members that you want to add. And after selecting all the members, now what you can do is just tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after tapping on that arrow, now you can name your group. And after naming your group, what you can do is just simply tap on the tick icon. So before that, what you can do is just here you will find this option which is auto delete messages. So you can customize that. So if you want to clear your group messages every day, you can do that. You can set it for every week or for every month. So you can also disable that if you want. And after doing that, now what you can do is just tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right, and then you will create your group successfully. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Telegram group. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.